Welcome to our video on creating your own monetizable lo-fi channel using AI-generated lo-fi beats. Whether you're a music enthusiast or an entrepreneur looking for a new revenue stream, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Let's start by using an AI music generator. In this case, I'll be using Moobert. Just click Generate a Track Now. Then we have an option to enter a prompt, or just create by choosing from different genres, moods, and activities that will help you generate a prompt. In this case, I already have a prompt in mind, which is lo-fi beats. Let's set the duration to 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Then, just click Generate Track. Go to the sidebar and click My Generated Track to see the track that you've just generated. Now that it's done, let's take a listen. To download, we'll have to create a free account. You can choose whether to log in with your Facebook or Google account. Once created, your generated track will be downloaded. You can also generate another track while it's downloading. Let's create a prompt by choosing a genre, like lo-fi. For the mood, I'll select calm. For the activity, I want it to be ambient. Let's set the duration to 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Then click Generate Track. It'll automatically start downloading. Now that our initial music is done, we can download it. But first we have to link our YouTube account to avoid false positive copyright claim. Let's create a YouTube channel by using your Google account. Click your profile and select Create a Channel. You may want to change your channel's name, and we can ask ChatGPT for idea generation if you don't have anything in mind. I like this chill wave soundscape name. Now I want some YouTube logo and banner. Let's go to Canva. Log into Canva and select Create a Design. Type YouTube channel logo. You may select a template and edit, but I want to generate my own. Click Elements in the sidebar. Then click Generate Your Own. There we can enter a prompt. I'll type mine. Then just click Generate Image. Edit it to your liking. I'll increase the size and add in some text as well. Once done, click Share and download it as a JPG. Now for the YouTube banner. Let's create a new design. Type in YouTube banner. For this one, I selected a template where I changed the text and inserted the image that we generated earlier. Once done, click Share and download it as a JPG. Now we can create the channel and update its branding. Click Customize Channel, then Basic Info. We need to insert a description for the channel, and so we'll generate one using ChatGPT, copy the result, and paste it on the description. Next, go to Branding. I'll change the picture, the banner image, and video watermark using the images I generated earlier. Then, just click Publish. Voila! We have a channel. Copy the channel's URL and paste in on Moobert. Then click Continue and then Agree and Download. Now that we have our lo-fi music, we need some music video to post it on our channel. To generate an image for this, I'd like to use Leonardo AI. With a logged in account, generate an image and make sure that its dimensions are 16 by 9. I'll enter a prompt to generate the image I have in mind. Then click Generate. I like this one. Just click the download icon to save. To edit a video, let's use CapCut. Let's upload the music and image we just generated. Drag them both into the timeline, then let's insert effects. This looks good. Let's export it. We can now upload it on our channel. Click the upload icon. Upload the exported video from CapCut. Then we'll type in the details, description, as well as other elements for the YouTube video. Save it for public viewing, then click Save. Congratulations! We now have our first LoFi YouTube channel. Let's take a listen. Keep in mind that the channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers and have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. This takes consistent effort, and I'm sure that you have it in you. Hit like and subscribe for more AI tutorials that provides actionable steps and results. Thanks for watching.